sensitive. There's also a kid, let's say there's a situation of a kid that's a safety issue. Anything that deals with the safety issue of a student or a safety issue of the campus must always be important, urgent, top priority, move to the top of your list. Anytime you're dealing with the safety of anybody on your campus, especially kids, that is always going to be the top of your priority list. Do not let anybody else tell you otherwise, okay? That can mean like weapon on campus. That can mean possible drug. You have to do investigation. That could be, any other investigation you have to do, sexual assault. Anything that is dealing with the safety and well-being of a child, that is always going to be urgent and the top of your list, no matter what. Do not forget it. Got it? Got it. I'm so glad you got it. Okay. Then you look at the important, not urgent. So schedule. These are tasks with unclear deadlines that contribute to long-term success. Okay. So your important and your important schedule would be something like teacher observations. Okay, teacher observations, or if you want to go and do a lunch, if you don't have lunch duty, if you want to do a lunchroom visit, then this could something that could be on the important, but it's on the schedule. Like I can do that later on.